Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
This is a subscriber?
Yeah man,
So guys, we just met one more of our subscribers, you know. We always have a show the love see me whenever we be anywhere in the street.
Alright, so
Blessed.
yeah man, I've been following you guys, you know.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah man, thank you so much.
She's a beautiful soul.
Yeah.
Beautiful soul.
B.
So I actually manufacture a product and I said to myself, I need to get you guys one.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
We manufacture Jamaican treats.
Okay.
Which is all the stuff that, you know, our thing, Jamaican thing.
Jamaican thing.
Yeah.
So this is what you manufacture.
Yeah. We manufacture and distribute them all over to the airport as well. Both airports. Montego Bay, Ochiris, Negril, all over.
Okay.
Kingston.
So what's the name of it? Is it the reggae?
Right.
What's
the
the
reggae caramel, Jamaican treats.
Yeah.
So this is the name of the company. Or the
Jamaican
brand.
treats.
And this is the name of the product.
Okay.
You know, so
Wow. Wow. So
I'm trying to remember the pronunciation of it.
D Mwango.
D Mwango, right.
Yeah.
AD.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good, I'm good. So I always watch your show.
Nice to meet you.
And then I see when you meet people and I'm like, wow, I wonder if I'll be that lucky one day, you know? And I just picked up some donuts and I say, yo, but that's the mango, you know?
Wow.
So I've been following it since they came
Thank
to
you
Jamaica.
so much. Hey, Jamaicans are the best.
Yeah.
So
3 months now, but it feels like I came yesterday.
3 months?
Yeah.
Wow, it seemed long.
Yeah, well, yeah, this one is 3 months.
And you did a good job with her, taking her on stuff,
Yeah.
you know? So I was just explaining that we manufacture and distribute these products.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So I want to gift you 2.
Oh, thank you. Jamaican treats, Jamaican snacks.
Yes.
Wow.
So you can, you know.
Let me give you a shout out on
Yeah,
my...
man. So guys, so give thanks to Jamaican treat, you know.
Yes,
Jamaica's Terrence. So this is Terrence, you know, this is what they manufactured, you know. So if you don't want to get any of these, you know, for the Christmas,
Right.
you know, it goes already. So or they can reach out.
All right. So we're on IG, Instagram. We're also on what's it called?
Facebook,
No, we're not
TikTok.
TikTok. Right. So we just manufacture and distribute all over the island, you know?
all over the island.
Yeah.
So them can contact you at the same Jamaican treat, right?
All right. So on the package, there's a number, but I'm just gonna give you the number because it's so it's 330-5001. And these are all the Jamaican snacks. So it's everything that you already know, you know, the local snacks. I'm sure if you buy your grandma one of these, or your aunts, she'll really appreciate it because we are promoting brand Jamaican through snacks. You know? Yeah, so this is our way of preserving Jamaica's legacy and heritage.
Yes.
You know, so this is our way of, you know,
giving back
so
to the
much.
country. To the country.
Really appreciate and thanks for the love and support.
I had to give you guys.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. Woo,
Yeah,
can't
man.
wait to
The
taste
mango.
them.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Trust
So
me, it's
good
good.
job, guys.
Thank you so
and I follow you
much.
guys on YouTube.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate the warm hospitality that, you know, D getting.
Yeah.
I think it's a good look for us in Jamaica. And I know the Africans are really excited.
Of course.
Here and stuff, you know.
Of
More
course.
and more will come
Yes,
over.
exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
of course.
Guess what? Last night I was at a premiere for a movie that came out. It's called Chokehold. And it's an awesome film. So last night I was at the premiere and it was starring a Jamaican and an African.
Okay.
Yes, it was a very good show about, you know, abuse, you know.
Okay.
And that's going to be coming to the theater.
Yeah, so that means so at this moment, me and D, we star in a show. Right? Me and D, we star in the Key and D show.
Yes.
So you're watching us on your TV, you know.
Exactly.
Oh, thank you so much for this, you know.
Nice to meet you guys.
Appreciate
Yeah, man. Blessed every time. So I would definitely go and enjoy this. I will share it with my grandma as well. Yeah, I will share it with my grandma so she feel the treat.
Yes.
So you got
So we have
gizzarda.
everything. We have everything that you already know. Gizzarda, tambourine ball, buster, you know, peanut brittle, jackass corn, grater cake, you know, all the popular ones.
Yeah,
all the popular
it's
ones.
in there.
In one package.
Thank you so much. Christmas
Alright.
came early.
Alright.
You know, guys, so I'm saying you can go and check them out on IG, Christmas Street, or TikTok. You know, you just type in Jamaican treats, Jamaican treat, and then you go and you find them. See there, Jamaican treats, right at the box.
Right.
So you can go and check them out, and you can distribute anywhere at all in Jamaica, even across as well.
Yeah.
Even overseas as well, too. You can ship them out, and you
Yeah.
can get it for the Christmas.
Yeah, man.
You know, so it's well blessed.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, man.
Alright, thanks, man.
Alright, man.
Nice
Bless
one.
you.
Cool.
The mango, you get
Time to eat, guys. I'm so hungry. Right now it's 3 p.m. Since when I woke up, I haven't eaten anything. Just stealing one of Kino's.
So okay, the thief mine, and you got yours.
Just one.
That's a lot. You go to prison for one. You don't need a minute. You don't need a lot of stuff. To go to
Oh,
prison.
today you ordered also rice and beans.
Yeah, for myself, I feel like having
Guys,
rice
this
and
is my
beans.
food.
There's rice and beans.
This is yours.
So D, why this couldn't be yours?
It came fast. Okay, then that will be mine. Come on.
Ladies before gentlemen.
Huh?
She said came first. D said came first. So I get the first pick, right?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Oh, this is gonna be lovely.
Because you're the best.
This is what inside of it.
You're gonna try them.
Yeah, I'll try with my grandma.
Said it's good with grandmas.
No, I'm saying your grandma will like it. You know, elderly people would like
Too bad
it.
I have no grandma left alive.
Oh.
No grandma, no grandfather.
So sorry. So
Just
sorry.
have my mama and daddy.
So sorry to
We're
hear
gonna
that.
share
D.
yours.
Yeah, share my grandma. No problem. So sorry for your loss.
Yeah, right now I have nobody left.
Well, let's eat. Right?
Yeah.
So, tell me something because you're a YouTuber. We said this is your work where you help park out, right?
Yeah, about 30 to 3 years now, I just have a vehicle right now.
33 years now?
Yeah, I'm a juvenile.
Juvenile, though. Sure, so we can get the best avocado.
Avocado, you know, some
Pear. Pear.
Pear?
Yes.
Oh,
Come. Alright, come, we're gonna walk. What's this way and come down?
Yeah.
Alright. So the car is good there, yeah?
Yeah, man, you're good.
33 years now you're out there working. Try the can. This is the boiled one. I will try the can. Can butter.
Yeah.
Thanks. Much of the can? How much?
3 and 4.
300 and 400. Wow. Guys, one. You know, in Kenya, one goes for 10 Jamaican dollars. 10 Jamaican dollars. Woo!
Yeah. You want that big one?
Okay, let me get the 4. Wow, guys, this is 400 Jamaican.
Okay, my general, I'm say yo, where I walk to the man, the good man. Yeah?
Where is Chris? Where is Chris?
Please take one of your subscribers in that.
Yeah, mom.
This is listening.
Christmas place. Birthday, my boy.
Yeah.
Still come back to Jamaica.
Still out there, yeah?
Yes.
Hey man, watch what go on, you watch what's going on.
Thank you so much. Wow. Hey, then you're one of the richest people in Jamaica if one goes for 400.
Alright then, so they are with the general himself. Your name again?
I miss it.
Indian.
Indian.
Yeah, man. But no, me
But I know you're Indian.
Yeah.
You're the black Indian.
Okay.
So you have Indian and you have your family?
Yeah, man. My father's side. My mother's side, I'm maroon.
Oh, okay, so you have the maroon in there. So you have link with the maroons then?
St. Mary.
Oh, St. Mary.
Yeah.
You still go back down here?
No one then. Like, go I gate.
You go which one?
I gate.
I
gate.
Oh, I get.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the maroon city like? What's down here like with the
You know,
maroon?
I'm not too familiar with them movements. Yeah. But them always have like 1st of January, them have no, 7th of January, which them celebrate Philip Christmas. And
Okay.
Town, yeah.
Okay. 7th of January.
Yeah, cause them get independent before Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Maroon, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we get independent 1962, them time the Maroon Town don't get locked down.
Yeah, because quarter music. Yeah, so celebrate funeral on the 7th, right?
Yeah, Maroon goes out the 7th of January.
Yeah.
But Jamaican celebrate for them one on the 25th
at this morning.
Yeah.
So how does it feel for you to celebrate in 2 Christmas within a month?
Within one year.
Oh well no. Well within a month you celebrate 2 Christmas.
The Maroon say it's 13 months like a year.
Yeah.
And our rule say it's 12 months. It's the British rule.
Yeah.
And the Maroon say them not work on the British rule.
Okay. Because remember you will be celebrating Christmas in December 25th.
Yeah.
And then now
January the 7th.
and then January the 7th, which is a couple of days down the line. Right? So it's not even a month yet you celebrate.
And next Christmas.
And next Christmas, so you celebrate 2 Christmas within.
Yeah.
So what about the New Year? How you celebrate New Year? The same as well?
The Maroon
New Year.
celebrated February.
Oh.
We celebrate January.
Okay, yeah, because January the 1st, which is we.
Like with this week.
And the Maroon them on February.
And them says 13 months in that year, the Maroon.
Okay. Wow. So you see that, so in each month them you celebrate twice.
Yeah.
Twice.
Which way she want?
Eh?
Which way she are going?
I walk which part should I go? So you're well known at the whole of downtown down here, so then? They're known as Indian.
Yeah.
Okay. So all your life you help park car, is that what you do?
Yes, most time. I just don't mean the food.
Oh.
You know. Ingrid. Yeah.
So when I try to start a business for yourself then, like
So the money, you know. Rough. The money for starting.
Come here, say.
Rich.
No, she good. Yeah. Okay, so you don't want to start your own business then. So if you start your business, what you don't want to do?
I love sell something for fast.
Like what?
Some t-shirts.
Oh, t-shirt, like wholesale t-shirt.
Yeah, for fast.
Okay. And if you're a man always in the town,
Yeah.
That means that that's something we really want to do then.
Yeah. I mean that's the same place some for my
Alright then, so what we're gonna do, if anybody want to watch and I don't want to help you, in that way for you to get some clothes for you to sell and them little thing, and make you leave them your contact number then.
No, when I need no pay you will I get my contact number. Believe me, I don't have a phone. I'm buy one.
So I'm buy
it's right over here, so $1,000 give MPOC. $1,000 give MPOC. We have clit, navel, nose, and ears.
No, you put credit on it?
Yeah, you go put credit on it to get the number.
How come?
Because I don't know if you can search it to find the coin, because I don't understand it fully. I buy it just today.
Oh, so the SIM card in it?
Yeah, in it.
But you have to put on credit for activating?
Yeah, put on credit and call your phone. When you put credit on it, use this and call your phone and my number come up in your phone.
Okay, because you don't know it out there then, yes? No. Okay. So we have to go out. So we have to go find our way then forget the number.
Yeah.
Come and come show us. Oh yeah. Alright. So as I say, yeah? I'm going to put your number in the description, and if anybody want to help you out, them can help you out with that, right?
Yeah.
And name Indian. Right, and Indians say I'm willing to do some hustling, to sell some t-shirts and things. So what Indian do, Indian normal just help people park them cars. So them park the car and they just give them a contribution, right? So like roughly like how much did I make a day out there, so?
Well, you know, say for Saturday we make a $15,000 for the day.
Man, what?
Saturday.
50,000 a day?
15.
Oh, 15. Oh, US $8. Eh? The artists around here, but DJ. Can't pull up on them, so I'm just when they? Show him now, when they? That yellow t-shirt? Gone. Where? Him? Oh, him? Oh, him? Oh, coming. Alright. Yeah. Come. I'm just oh, watch T-Piper, you know? We also do charity. Yeah. Hello. Foreign me I go. And a foreign alone. Tell them what I go on. I don't know what I go on. Are you a business in here, sir?
No, sir, Chinaman business.
Oh, you have to work down here. So tell them where you want. Where you want to go? Where you want? You want a house barn, you want to go foreign, which one you want?
Yes, sir, them help me out?
Of course, you never know who's watching. I'm a general. You never know who's watching.
I know more and reach a foreign more and right now.
So you want a husband then?
Yeah, nobody can help me out to the husband, something.
So if they can wash, cook and clean?
You can do everything. Every God almighty thing. My mother teach me.
Alright. And you're not lazy?
No, no time.
Because this is the way you have to work. So all they want is a good, genuine husband like
right,
yourself.
So.
Wash, cook and clean, she have it all, right? So alright, so give them a contact number if your husband wants to see and call you.
Yes, sir. On the media?
Of course. You say you want to.
I don't want to stalker, you know.
Alright. No stalker. Listen guys, you know what? No stalker. Yeah? So if you're a caller, please be polite, no stalker. If you're not serious, don't contact her.
Right there.
Right? Right there. So only with interest only. Right? Serious inquiry only. So
alright, my name Roxanne. I'm a contact 584-4214. That's 584-4214. Don't look for the area code. That's 876-584-4214.
Alright, so you see, serious inquiry only. Cause remember, we used to do single Wednesday, we do matchmake. Cause remember, you used to watch it, right?
Watch everything.
Alright, so she watch everything. So right now, we are doing a matchmake right now. So serious inquiry only. You can call her if you're interested. Cause she have it all, see there. She tick, you know, and she ready for you. So just phone her and come quick.
Alright, I'm going to roast them there.
Roast on? Okay, alright then, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
You buy something?
Yeah.
See? Oh, Zara.
So guys, Kina is my bank. Today I want him to shop for me so that people don't overcharge me. So I gave him
What should I give him for?
1,000. From 1,000 to 5. All of this 1,000.
1,000.
Okay, so 1,000.
Yeah, that's better, right?
1,000 for what?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Respect.
Because he knows me.
Yeah. Oh, you know you.
So much.
Yes,
Yeah. But now I need a shopping bag to put this stuff.
Oh God. Oh,
See
right
there?
there.
I can buy some. Yeah.
Yes, this is
Respect.
this is the shopping bag right there. See there? See there?
Shopping.
That's
Hey. Oh,
right there. $50. There.
in general.
Yes, you're welcome.
Oh.
I appreciate. Downtown is the best place. You want to tell me downtown?
Hi, nice meeting you. Hello, what's your name?
Yeah.
See how they?
Always I watch you.
Always I watch you, man. Jesus, Father. Hey, I'm a boyfriend. Well, I'm a boyfriend. Very
Your husband, yes. Or you engaged.
Yes. Always I call me. Come, Stephanie. Come, Donald.
Time for watch Kino live in Jamaica.
Oh,
D.
Jesus, Dino.
D, come here, D. Here's a slick subscriber here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, you look better. You look good.
You look good, aye.
Yes, hi.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yes,
Thanks for the love and support.
Yes, always.
Yeah, I'm down here in downtown. You guys always tell me, Jamaica is not safe for you, but I'm here every day.
Every day.
And I have
don't
lots
turn
of
it.
people who
Yes.
support me, who know me.
Yes.
All is well.
Yes, and downtown's a nice place to shop, you know.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
you
get the
have
best
some
prices.
right. You have some prices high, some prices low. And boy, may I tell you, the things them are
Yeah.
Worth it.
running. Yes.
Stunning.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yes. So,
Best.
always come down here.
Yeah.
You work
All right.
down here?
I work at Broadcasting Commission.
Okay, so you're going to broadcast this later on your radio station?
No. No.
Television?
Thank you.
Alright, take care, yeah?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
too.
man, so it's good to meet our subscribers, you know?
Hi.
We're in the love same here in
Yes.
downtown.
Yes.
Alright, big up your husband, yeah? Alright. Big up general. Indian.
Yeah.
But I want somebody to help you out with the business. You know?
Yeah, man.
Because I like how you in a mind I want to try and do your thing. Don't hear loud to the music.
Tell me what you want and be a 5 inch then. How do you study about 500? You're a pastor at 500.
Big up, big up. That's what I mean.
Yeah, enough for the year. They think they just here for everything.
Oh, we're back again.
Yes. Love jelly coconut man.
Like D. Candy love the jelly.
So deal with them good.
What? My face.
Best meat ever in the whole world.
Hey, man.
Not only in Jamaica, but in the whole world.
Let's say taxi this. Man, also listen to the man taxi. Well decorated. Christmas taxi. So if you want a Christmas taxi, this is right here. Honda as well too. Honda Stream. Angela. You said me have Angela. Come make it bring it to you. Let's pay for your taxi here. Must have Angela. Yeah, Angela. Pay a taxi fare for you. Alright, see that? Pay Angela for your taxi fare, yeah? Right, let's go. Alright then, big up. So you pay for your taxi fare, yeah? Come now! Get with me! Hustle, man, hustle. Get with me! Come now! Wash off your heart, heart be clean. Well, wash off your heart, heart be clean.
Yes.
Jelly with me. Come on, hold on. Yeah, it's clean. You drink them thing, yeah? You want jelly? Young one, them are the better one. Indian, I want your number before I go, because I want to put Indian number in the description. So if anybody want help out Indian, Indians a man who work downtown for 30 odd years.
Yeah, that's your 3, 4, and 5.
Helping people parking in cars. You know, and that's
a hustle. Alkaline over the Frankie, power. The whole area get cheap. Alkaline with you. And you see the badness.
Alright, use some lyrics.
You like give me the nookie ox or wood wheat.
Hey.
Scotch banana pepper, them sent me too sweet. No, me hot.
You know.
But bro, where are the New City?
Where you have your son? New City.
Everything we have done at town. If members see over there, so boyfriend and girlfriend jeans. You see the store? See them shots there?
Yeah.
I knew what shots them around the ground. See them? You see the boyfriend and the girlfriend jeans them? 2012. Reach out and not talk. I chop line and sell tree.
So it's not
look for the setting come on. When you see me on TV, you must say selly.com, aka selly. Round the so show the arcade. Arcade.
See a lot of the jeans them over here, so jeans are from $1,000 up. We have jeans from $1,000.
I store this me I tell you about, man. I store this. What this name now?
Kino life in Jamaica.
What?
Kino life in Jamaica.
Kino life. You near Kino?
Yeah. And YouTube.
Alright, Kino life in Jamaica. YouTube.
Yeah.
Visit the youth. Or the real youth.
I have D Mwango.
I have D Mwango.
Over there, sir.
Over there, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, you go. She had chop jelly.
Yeah.
Wash off the heart. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Oh, listen, my G, bless up your damn self. New City badness.
Tell him who find you.
You don't know West Street, Bedford Street corner. Right side of the $1,000 jeans, I'm going to tell me jeans, I'm find me.
Yeah.
AKA next to Quaint shop. AKA Mama Lily. The dead.
Mama Lily.
Yeah, man, there's your blows, man. That's how we do it, man. You know what I mean?
Colors.
Yeah, there's your blows. 3 and 4. Take them up and look at them. Everybody can look good. Colors one. Give it up. What's the name?
You know some glimpse of me I say yo.
Yeah, man, there's a new year, new something, new year. Yeah, there's your blows. 3, 4 and 5. Take them up and look at them. That is it.
Who is this?
There's your blows. 3, 4 and 5.
Something.
Come stepping out for the jeans them over here, sir.
Just getting over here. You get jelly already? Yeah. Get a jelly?
No, so many people it doesn't want to serve me. Let's go.
You know, say, but you get hot? Like a father works. I hope down a West Road, me damn burn that thing up, you know. Oh, see ya. Yeah, I'm a glimpse. I'm a glimpse, you know. But me, I wasn't picking up. See, I'm keen up. Place this. Yeah, burn that place, man. See you guys downtown, creating a lot of excitement. Yeah. Oh my God. Creating a lot of excitement. Right. I love that, bro. You know we have to traffic. Yeah. Get the leg. Yo, just imagine when extended family see me now. Hey. Wow. They're supposed to say, oh my. Yeah. Look who is that downtown. Look who is that downtown. Call a fool himself. Look now, man. Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, alright, but cool man, big up every time.
You have to subscribe to you, you know.
Man, how you doing, bro?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah. See, I heard, man. You like it here, no?
Yeah, so much.
Yeah, man. Keep it going, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Bless up the cheese.
Cool, man. Yeah, every time. Yeah. The last time I was watching I don't hear some sushi there. Yeah, she get over there go get her juice. Yeah. So I got airport? Yeah, airport. I get something right. I think my friend Sean Paul is supposed to come in to come work. The artist? Yeah. He never give me money all the while. But he came in last week. But guess I know, when me to see him. Yeah. Like I got late. Oh. Bad, come in, we'll go down and shop. Yeah. Come. Yeah. I have to do something. Come in. Alright, pop. So,
I guess it's some blood clots with them flying.
Hey, kind of mark you so I get something. Yeah. Quick and fast.
Come to me, you know, say, I'm a phone, I go to take out to use my phone, I'm a glimpse. Mama, you know.
Yeah.
I don't see it, I say. But look.
Shelly Belly. Walk up and dancer. Yeah.
court. He's testifying against the sole remaining defendant, Gregory Roberts. When questioned by
Oh, you know, sir. Oh, I eat this, Pops.
You can't put Elmo Ford in front time. Just edit it.
Oh, I eat this, Pops.
Don't turn it.
And them say, where's
no problem.
Sesame Street doing downtown Kingston?
So you can buy clocks here for your dad.
Yeah, you know the baddest beats them in a town right now. Right now, see balance them. Baddest thing that's trending.
New Balance.
Everything that's new, trending.
New Balance.
No, I'm saying if your boyfriend.
No, I'm rich, man. I have many more of that coming.
Here.
Is that true, Kino? If your boyfriend doesn't have clocks, he's not a boyfriend. He's not enough.
I said that's true.
That's true. That's so
right?
true.
Say, if you have a
He
clock.
must have clocks. Yeah, and a brush to wipe off.
Yes.
See New Balance them here.
I think now I brush, I have a pack of wipes.
To wipe
And
it
a
off.
duffel bag.
Aye.
Yeah.
So you say, I eat this.
Yeah, my boss. See the Jordans up this side in here, lad.
Wow.
Jordans up this side.
Kickers them. It's a good look, Pop. It's a good look.
Welcome to Jamaica Desert. Yeah.
Welcome.
Yes.
That is it.
Yeah.
Top of the town.
See that again? Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica.
We need to buy one of these for your dad and send it to Africa.
Yeah, you need one of this.
Africa, it's going.
So we have more in stock, you know.
Wow, I love this design. Yeah, ladies' clocks.
You're all above, you know. Yeah, you see them?
The clocks are for men only.
No, Ox the Governor. It's for everyone.
Yeah. You just choose the one that you like.
I didn't know clocks are for ladies as well. I thought they're only
Of course.
for men.
No, ladies as well.
Nice.
The ladies.
Maybe the Jamaican color is what I'll come for.
Jamaica color.
All colors.
That one ready?
That's for girls, for boys.
For girls as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Girl
Wow,
as well.
guys, let me know. Are clocks for ladies, for men only, or for ladies?
Pops, tell them where to find you.
Downtown Kingston, off Darling Street.
Off Darling Street.
Downtown.
Female courts.
Off Darling Street. Alright. Yeah. Promotion. Promotion. We're not promoting the work.
No man, I'm a good man. You can't pay for that.
Okay.
I need to come buy some for my dad.
No, you need to take the shop for your dad and your brother, your younger brother.
You understand, brother?
So good.
No man left out, you know.
Yeah, no.
Alright, I'll be
Yes.
back. Now I know the shop. I can get two, one mine, one for my dad.
Anytime you're ready.
Thank you so much.
Which one?
Alright.
Yeah, man, Pops. No, we know how to go on.
Yeah, man.
I understand.
Yeah, man. Latest thing, people are flocking. A closing time, but people are flock.
Flock, see you, man. Yes, sir, is the spot.
For me, I do the right thing had to be done, you know? Alright, make them for shout out. You just follow the page, Quaint Epic Kicks. Quaint _Epic Kicks.
Yeah. Alright then.
All the authentic way.
Quaint. Alright, big. Because I don't go to the market before we get
Yeah,
there.
fam. Oh, Empress then.
Short side.
Alright.
Alright.
Kino, I call this with Angora. With Angora.
With Angora?
Yes.
With Tangoa.
That's our local language to mean this.
Oh, market.
The stand.
Oh, with Tangoa.
Vitangora.
Mitangoa. Hey. Say, me market. Mitangoa.
Vitangora.
Okay, later I practice that one. Later I practice that one. Mama, auntie. Mom's sister. Mommy's sister.
Mom's sister?
Yeah. Well, go on. She sell all these nuts here and peas. You know what I think? Come show you the look. She all buy nuts them and everything. The beans them. She sell the beans them, the nuts them.
Get some beans for tomorrow.
She sell the beans them and everything. Healthy beans.
We need to get some beans for tomorrow. Then.
Everything. So the nuts them the way
We
you
need
eat
to get beans for tomorrow.
Which one?
The red beans.
Red beans.
Or the yellow beans.
Black beans. The black beans here.
No, I want the yellow one.
Yellow one. This one?
No.
Which one? Baby? Which one are the yellow one?
Yellow split.
Yellow beans.
Yellow split beans.
This one.
No,
Yellow. This one.
Let me get. How much a kilo for this?
This. Right about now at Jamaica with it.
A pound. They buy a pound.
Oh, yeah. A kilo.
Okay.
Huh?
A pound.
Pound work by. Can the scale can go by kilo still.
So that's my mother's sister.
Yeah.
How they look alike.
But then a pound. All of them are here. A pound. That's a yellow split, green split.
So how much for this, for example?
$250. They call it cranberry bean.
$250. Give me for 1,000.
How much are them?
She want $1,000 worth.
Yeah.
What? You know it?
Yeah. This is 250, so 250 to 500. 4 of them. There we go.
What that one you do? Where is it? Rice and peas too?
Anything you desire.
We're gonna do with this one, D?
With the chapati.
Oh, chapati.
Yeah.
Chapati.
Don't worry, I need this.
This black eye.
Black eye? No, let me use this one.
You know what I'm saying, like the black eye?
Bag.
So baby, where you use this cook for yourself?
This?
Yeah.
Rice and peas, you cook stew.
I can cook soup,
And you cook
peas
soup.
soup.
And the rest of them, they cook sip.
Sip with it.
Yeah, every this when we mix.
So let me get for these.
Give me the bag. The bag.
Oh, this one's actually at the very best for the rice and peas.
Brown bread.
Brown bread.
Listen to me. Brown bread is not actually the very best. You have better peas than brown bread, but some people desire some more than others. So in my view, I rather this. Yeah. Call it cranberry bean. Because when this cook to me, it's more gummier and it's fatter. So most of when I eat this before the bean first.
Okay, I'm getting 4 of this. No discount for me, mommy.
I'm mommy friend too, you know. I your sister friend as well. So mommy gonna say, oh, you met my sister.
Yeah, you have alright, black bean. See black bean to me?
I always cook for you.
Okay. Black bean nice and
the best one.
nice in a stew. When we do chickpeas, curry in a coconut meat. So you have better beans than but sure we grew up on brown red and big red.
Alright, mommy, I met your sister.
Alright.
She sold beans to me.
So beans. Alright, yes. And
Alright.
I come tomorrow, so I come line up my nuts then.
You're lucky.
Yeah?
So you say?
No, I come back in the morning. So thanks now. Well. Beautiful morning. Good morning. As you can see, we're back here in Elcha, here to see Daddy Irie himself. Oops. You know, cause we got a package here for him from 7 Love Style. You know, thank you so much. Good man, my dog a swim. Yes, the dog a swim. Hey, say, are you teach a dog to swim? Hey! Are you a dog? So you're a fisherman on the beach? So you're a fisherman? Come here. I need to come see. You know Daddy Irie? Huh? You know Daddy Irie? Daddy Irie. You live on the beach? See?
Some fish trucks. Daddy Irie.
You live on the beach, man. You live down that side there.
Might be known by a different name though.
Yeah, probably a different name. So you're a fisherman?
I'm born and grow here, sir.
You're born and grow here, sir?
Yeah, 1970 July 31st.
1970?
July 31st. Now 53 year old.
Yeah, a long time over here, man. My name is Kino. What's your name?
Osha.
Yeah,
you ever watch a Jamaican movie called Countryman?
Yeah.
That's my dad.
That's your dad? Wow, so you're the famous son.
That's cool. Legend I talk to man.
The legend son, I'm watching man when I'm run on the beach and
that's
everything.
That's cool, man, my father, man.
Your father? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, just and I talk to the legend son himself. So how it feel to be a legend son?
Why? I feel good and I feel proud. And I enjoy a lot with my father, you know?
Yeah.
And the family, yeah. If I lose mommy, I lose daddy, you know? Lose daddy first before I lose the mother, you know?
Okay, so that movie Countryman, so how long after that him died?
That movie made 1980, released 1982.
1982?
Yeah, in a Caribou over the Kingston, so yeah.
Over that side?
Blackwell and the whole of them. And Chris Blackwell is the director and producer. Chris Blackwell was the producer and Dickie Jackson was the director.
Okay. So how old was you at that time? What's your age?
I was like about 12 years old them time.
Young them time?
Yeah, very young boy them time.
Yeah, no, really no sorry for your loss.
When I look a boy, that changes on this beach right now, see that?
So you've seen all the changes?
Yeah, I used to drive, when I look a boy, I used to drive, we try to see that upstairs out there. You know, road, sand road come all the way back up here.
Well, come across?
Right, sand, beach, land, everything was land.
You said right across the water there was a...
was land.
It was land?
Yeah. Hurricane and Ray, so take away the land. You know? Little by little. The people have to put stones, you know, to barricade the place, you know what?
Wow, that never seems to amaze me, because I never know that all of here was pure sand come all the way across the land and sand.
Yep.
So you
white sand, man.
Pretty sand. So you just know the sun kind of get darker. So you go through all the changes. All the changes. So you have kids who are born here as well too? You have any children? Okay. So
I have kids, but my kids now, they go to St. Mary.
Okay.
I help find one little lady, you know,
okay.
A young lady, my wife, my baby mother, and get 2 kids with her. And life and life go as me say, yeah, you better you go on your way and me go on my way.
Yeah, so and that is it. Come see a kind of mix. What you mix with?
My father know it's like a Indian royal, curly hair. See that movie always female curly. My mother knows a straight Indian.
Okay, okay.
Very pretty lady, man, Indian lady. Yeah.
Because I guess back in the days, like it was more like same curly Indian was living on the beach here, right?
Alright. You see, back in my days, it's a long story. Because see, back in my days, you got black, you got Indian, right? And some of the black love the Indians and live with the Indians, work with the Indians, and have children with all the Indians them too. So the population get mixed up.
Okay, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
So the generation in our earth get mixed up.
Yeah.
See?
So the black and Indian them.
One time white never used to live with a black man. And now white woman want a black man. Right? Kind of different white mix all color, you know?
Yes. All color mix.
Yeah. Me can't mix certain color, you know. I got certain color, but can't mix and blame, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
That's the way it is. Because the same man but you said you might know him by a different name, Daddy Irie. That's the name I know him by. He live right.
Him have a restaurant or
no, man, he's a big man as well too. He live right on this stretch here. I have a whole pack of cats in the yard as well too.
Oh, Daddy Irie, that's his daddy man.
Daddy man, you call him. And he can DJ.
Right side of me, he live.
We live right side there.
Yeah,
and sing a song
on the
beach.
And everything also.
And sing the song on the beach.
Me know, man, that's cool, no, man.
Yeah. Because him say, when him bury as well, when him come first time living on the beach.
Man, I'm my uncle too, man.
Your uncle?
Yeah, man.
See?
In a certain way, you know?
In a certain way?
Yeah, because I grew up with them man for me, a little boy. My father and the whole of them grew up, you know? So I'm just call him uncle.
Yeah, because he said he's one of the first one that when he came, there was like not many people was living here at the time.
You want me to carry to you, man?
Yeah, that's who I'm going to see. Because I bring this thing for him. Because I video him already. Come. Oh, so look at that, so guys. So here. Eh?
Father nature is good.
That is it.
That is it.
And it brings me right to
the right
family.
Man, yeah.
Look
but
at that.
I don't know him right name. May I tell you something? I grew up with everybody from this beach, but no know them right name. But for yourself, where with the whole pack cat and some a daddy man.
A daddy man.
Right.
See your dog, yeah. Hey.
Come. I mean, just beard him a while ago. Nasty up himself tonight. He soon dry off, man. Alright. You're not coming now. What do you mean say that now?
Yeah, man. My finger running nice one.
Yeah, what? Yeah, we run on the whole of daddy man push them down here, so no bother come.
Yes, guys, so look at that. That is Daddy Irie family. That's Daddy Irie family. And you see, I've been speaking to the man, never know that they're related. So you see, sometimes our life is speaking to people, you never know who the person is. See?
Yes, let me see my walk.
Can say more time go bush. So hopefully he's there still.
Supposed to go to see too, you know.
Oh, you? Okay, so.
Yeah, go down my yard.
Listen. So you catch a lot of fish then. You throw a net or you use rod?
I do like divers them.
Okay, you dive.
Yeah, like tank divers, compressor, and we do like net and fish pot.
Okay,
okay. Too, yeah.
Oh, net.
What if I fish them, you know?
So you're gonna pull up a net now the day?
Bye. Very true.
Hopefully you can pull up something. What the biggest fish you ever catch?
Biggest fish I ever catch? I go up on a marlin tournament in Port Antonio. And the biggest fish we catch is 450 pounds.
Wow.
That is a animal. Big like a cow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bless it, man. That is a big fish.
Very big fish.
You know the name of that
and
fish?
It takes roughly about 20 hours to even conquer that fish.
Of course.
Yeah, cause a whole heap of reeling, whole heap of fighting. Yeah, man, we have to box off water for igloo, man, and cool on the line to him and run with that.
Of course, that's 400 and something pounds.
Smoke a cow out of that.
Yeah, that is a big fish, guys. So you hear that? You ever catch a big fish like that before? Imagine that's a really a big fish.
I will kill it too.
Yeah.
But it's the next boat now, win the mall and show him it bigger and we
seen there, man.
Go 500 odd. And beef we will find.
Seen there?
Yeah, seen there.
Daddy.
Papa.
Oh, my brother.
Oh, go on.
Yeah,
so
man.
extra short video and me showing them, you know.
Yeah.
Peace.
Yes, sir.
Make one video with them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see me, I know. Me tell them say $1,000 me I sell me thing them for Jamaican.
I mean. Come see your subscribers are growing now.
I mean, I go on my thing, you know. Bless you, you know.
Yeah, man. Good one.
You know, see me send something sitting on your face, thing, man.
No, come and try call your phone. What's wrong with your phone?
My phone nah go on with nothing. Me nah get nah send out call, nah take in that thing big. Me don't know what to do it.
Yes, cause I'm ringing you. It's not ringing. I'm like, what's wrong with that?
I don't know what you carry go do, don't know. A new phone me buy what there. You nah send out call.
Nothing.
You nah receive call. You not even take your credit.
Yeah. I don't know what go on.
You want me sure you try to put on credit and so what go on?
No,
sure.
but if a credit now go on, something is wrong with the phone. Come out of the sun a little bit.
Jesus, yeah, man.
So we had to do some work in the morning here.
No, man, I just done video.
Yeah.
I just set you out. I send you a little while.
Yeah, send it on.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so much subscribers are reach now? You check it?
Me got 300 pounds some and 400 pounds some.
Alright, so it grow. Because last time the people then start to subscribe, I will make them subscribe more.
Yeah, man.
Irish, same way. See me himself that the Irish just continue to subscribe.
Bless up everyone who try to help me, you know. God will bless you now. Cause you see, when you do good to people, God will lift up phone or thing for you. So when you're wicked, God will put wickedness on you too.
Sure.
Yeah? So do the best way you can do. We living in a serious time now. Right now you don't know when God will come. Right now we are in the last 2000. You may say 2000 era shall be back. So you don't know when, if today or tomorrow or next week or next year or the end in a year. But God is there for each and everyone. So bless God. Thank Him for life. Go on your bed, say prayers to Almighty God. And when you're going out, beg God for guidance and the way home and in. So that me do. So I go downtown and I try sitting yesterday and some boy had call me and I say, cool boy, wait. Like they want to come down pan me. Say, soon come and me walk them out and go. I delete everything still, me no bother with it.
Oh, they know I need to video.
Yeah, me delete everything, so me no want no problem. So me just go on my little area and when me can go through and do my little thing.
But here is good enough, man. Right here you can just do like your everyday life.
Yeah, man, I'm going in woodland there. And sometimes when me a go out on the road.
Yeah, and you go up on the beach or something. You have the beach where everyone loves the beach.
Go for El Chapark, go do one whole heap of video up there and it's nice. So me see guys them as play football and me want video them. But the two of them lick up and one running and one high and sitting.
Yeah.
Both off in foreign.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So are your family see another?
No, man.
Somebody was saying no for years.
I feel my friend them, man.
Him yata.
Oh, a countryman son.
Yeah, it's man tell me. Famous countryman, the movie.
Yeah, movie star. So me I tell a man say if you want to see El Beach or look, go from Countryman movie in the on YouTube.
Yeah.
And you know say
because there's a lot of changes when Countryman time.
Yeah, the Countryman house there, you know.
Which one?
There. The house there.
The one in the middle there?
Yeah, Countryman.
Right in between there. Okay.
And pass off and then wife go on to.
Yeah, but you know there's a lot of changes since Countryman
days. I tell you
say,
when me come here and I treat somebody, me come here and see. See Jackai, Pezzi and VI, me never see nobody else.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was pure woodland now we burn out in the coal. Yeah.
Those days.
One little tree went there as remembrance, but somebody cut it down.
Oh, then cut it down?
Yeah.
So that a long time I hear a song, Panda Beach.
Yeah, man, me just put out on the beach thing, the coil, man. The whole of the song, them.
Yeah.
So, what?
Up on the water and flowers.
If you see,
on the water.
So we care to the man away.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
You know, say he take a little tea with potato before that country, man.
Yeah, man, let me just tell them everything, man.
That's some of it.
Yeah, it's my. I show me say this is a country, man. You know.
You tell him,
yeah, respect,
yeah, man, I go up on the water.
Alright then, countryman son, remember you know. Yeah. Are you have to start next new movie here?
So yeah, next. Yeah, man, that's good.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So Daddy Irie.
So
give me that song there, on the beach.
Yes, on the beach, on the beach, on the beach where me get me steamed fish.
Hey.
Yes, on the beach where me get me steamed fish.
Hey.
Out to sea where me catch me fish, you see.
Hey.
Girl where me love her where they call her ranchine. Born pon the land, say me fishing pon the sea. Nothing in this world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sting like a bee. Walk on land, you know we swim up on the sea. Count from 1 to 1,000,000 and 3. On the beach, oh yeah. On the beach, oh Lord. For on the beach where me get me steam fish. Out to sea where me catch me fish, you see. Children.
Yes.
Me just do them there with the rhythm, everything, you know, but me do a thing with the headphone and my mic in my hand and like I want stage me up on already. I do my thing. But me not give them all like me just peace because you know some people will take them and no want buy them. So me just give them chop. You see me? So that's how the thing go. So me have more song, you know, whole more song. Me have 9 songs when me release it. Nothing get this the thumb drive and the brother yet. So you know mix me don't know if you mix it down or what. So me have whole more chance. Me have about 9 more songs when me do.
Okay.
And me do a new song where they too. Where they on me thumb drive. Me yeah. So
alright, so Daddy Irie, here we are going today. You bring a package for you know, right here.
Yeah, man.
So this package here is for you.
Yeah.
You know, and it's a a gentleman watch the program.
Oh, and doing it.
You know, and send this to you. So from his name is 7 Love Styles.
Kevin Love Style.
7.
Thank you very much, my brother.
7
Love
Love Styles.
Style. Bless up yourself, my brother. And God will open ways for you. Because when you do good for people, you know, God will look for you as a good man. You say if you do wickedness, it's not going to survive. Do the best you can. Me 73 and plus now. And me living to 90 odd. And me know say me I go there or more. And me give thanks all the while to God. For me a young little boy I come up, me I will give God thanks. And that's why it's me look like, you know, so me not grow up yet. Me not grow up yet.
You grow up, but you're not grow up.
No,
you
grow up on the baby. But not on the ear more 1 and 2, you look like see my like a ping in it. So yeah, people say I die me, but me not die me.
Yeah, check your package so, so you get the correct package as well. So yeah, man, she send her blessings to you.
Hello, D Mango. Anywhere you're there in the world, this is Daddy right here. You know, so we love you, see you here.
Yes,
love you.
Yeah,
and you are a good person. You have love in your heart. Because I watch your something them, you know. And me you say, hello guys, this is D Mango from Ray and love Jamaica. I will like you very much.
Yeah,
and you are my friend for life. For life.
So she send her blessings all the time.
Okay, and thank you for sending your blessing to me, my darling. You are a good woman. Yes.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to 7 Love Style, you know, for blessing Daddy Irie, you know, for his package, you know. We thank you so much, you know. It's such a blessing. So much. So
I eat
away. And you have a t-shirt in here as well too.
The boat too big for me, my birthday.
So we have to go to sell it?
No, me have to do that.
Here's a t-shirt as well.
Yeah, thanks. But tell the person that one that too big. So if you send something, say no, I hate.
Alright, so that the Irie we are size 8 and him size medium. Yeah, so we give thanks to 7 Love Styles, you know, for blessing that Irie. You know, and the t-shirt as well. To say if anyone's wishing to send in that Irie anything, or you're wishing when you come in to come and see him to bring something, him wear size 8, him t-shirt is medium, and your pants will be
28.
Waist 28.
Waist 28 and the length is 41.
41.
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy Irie, yeah man. So we give thanks to Seven Love Style. Yeah man, thank you so much. You know, it's a blessings for blessing Daddy Irie. You know, we really appreciate it and respect.
Never give me boot car, the boot are too big to make so. Never do me out give this boot. So me bless up all of my YouTubers them. We love you know. All of my friends, D Mango, Chris, Kino,
yes,
Jaman, Family, TV, and who again?
You name them man.
Well, me don't know member all somebody, but me I bless all of you know. YouTuber right around the world, no matter where you come from or where you live. But me bless you know, and God will open channel for you know. Yeah. So when you do good, brother, good will follow you. And if you do evil, evil will follow you. So, me not plan for the evil business because right now people doing lots of things with me and I don't ignore them. And I don't bother say nothing to them because I don't want to get in the railway with them. Me is a November man, I born the 20th of November 1950. And look, so I still there, give thanks God life and thanks. Me baptized with my locks. My locks was 7 feet long. Yeah, I'm baptized with my locks. I never say Selassie. Because Selassie they tell me upon the stone say, when my people are bad, say God come, the man interpreter, if anybody tell like the interpreter, the man talk in English and say, I am not God, and I have myself have to praise of God. What you want more? What you want more? Because him is Kings of Kings and Lord of Lords. Many man come with that name, and him alone. The world is here from when. Okay?
Okay, Daddy Irie.
One day we know we have to go, but when we want to go with the blessing of God, that when the day come, you know, I tell me say, oh, apart from me, I know you're not. Okay, I don't want to hear that. I want to hear him say, welcome my good and faithful son. Bless you, no? And God open way for all I know that. Subscribe to me, make a comment. If you do nothing wrong, make me know because I don't go vex.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Put me on the right track. And God will open way for you. Because when I see me out the road, I go there on my bicycle. I pray to God. One man tell me, say, if he go Clarendon, me dead before he come back. Just because me hear them a chat me right there. So, and see what they do there. And me yard gate there, so and see what they do. They make up all of them things there for me. And if we go right there now, if you see whole for rubbish and sitting there, I can't say nothing because I don't want to say nothing. And I don't want to get in problem with nobody. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Me there.
Just keep it same.
50 of the year now me there. Yeah?
Just keep it peaceful and mindful, so you don't have to worry about them.
When you whole out there so a land, while you link on the beach house, so keep right there, so all 3-4 sound back up on the beach house.
Yeah, they tell me.
The football field, me was the man who put up them thing over there. Me clean the place when they done football and them business, all one of them man, one of my enemy too. So anyway, me glad for you, and me thank you by everything.
Alright then, so big up yourself, Daddy Irie.
Yeah,
you know guys, so please go check out Daddy Irie YouTube channel and help him grow.
Yeah,
so check out Daddy Irie on YouTube. So
I will give one of my friend this car. This can't fit me. So
yeah man, no worry man, all is well man. Yeah man. Alright then, big up your Daddy Irie.
Me look for see you again, yeah?
Alright then, cool man.
Big up D already.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
Bless
so
up.
blessed love to all, so you know that is Daddy. Yes I. Alright man, that's good. Yes. So you know man, for always going a glimpse of the beach, and when you can't come here and I make you see the beach and the beach, a glimpse of the beach, Elcha Beach. Early morning, so very early in the morning, we are on the beach. Early, so good morning. So that is Daddy Irie. Let's receive this package. You know, I will give thanks to 7 Love Styles from the USA. You know, thank you so much for blessing Daddy Irie. Dangerous, strong current. Do not swim in this area. So over this area, strong current. Very, very strong current. Can take your way over here. Strong current out there. Yeah, man. So blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Yes, so good morning, good morning, good morning. So guys, remember, thank you so much for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. And remember, when you're watching, put the thumbs up. You know, don't be afraid to put the thumbs up when you're watching. You know, and if you haven't subscribed, don't be shy to subscribe. It won't cost you your life. You know, so thank you so much for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, keeping you on the road with us. You know, I'm your third eye. You know, and you're my viewing. So we thank you so much for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. Blessed Love Dream Team 1 team. So we're going to head on the road, you know. Well, so we just visit Daddy Irie, and we have to thank 7 Love Style for blessing him with a t-shirt and a shoes. Yeah man, so give thanks. So big up 7 Love Style, big up, you know, we give thanks to 7 Love Style every time for Daddy Irie package. Thank you.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.